What's up, my March birthdays? I know it's obvious, but let's talk about your flower of the month, shall we? So it is the daffodil. Scientific name, Narcissus pseudonarcissus. I don't know, I think it's like a landscaping favorite. We see them everywhere. I even have a bunch in my yard. Daffodils have great aesthetic appeal, and their symbolism includes new beginnings, rebirth, and springtime. They are low maintenance, they are natural pest repellents, and they have long-lasting blooms. Their medicinal uses include anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. For our gardens, they are perennials, they're great pollinator attractors, and they're just freaking beautiful. Overall, daffodils offer a combination of aesthetic, symbolic, and practical benefits, making them a popular choice for our gardens. Hit me up in the comments and let me know if you're going to be adding these to your garden or if you already have them. So, my March folks, go get your best life in this month. Celebrate yourselves. Give them love in the comments, y'all.